So the other day, I had the opportunity to pick up one of those. Electric Deadbolt. Sorry, electronic. Deadbolt. That's right. Didn't pay full price. Got it at a discount. So this is an Amazon Basics, oil rub bronze, obviously made in China. Touch buttons. Oh, look at that. English up front. How about that? Spanish. That's okay. French. I like their fries. Start the fireplace with that. It's like touch screen. I guess. So it looks like they're not actually buttons, it's a touchscreen. That's kind of cool. I don't know if I can get the light on that just right. You can kind of see. Not really. Well, I'm not sure what I think about these things. I almost bought this as a joke, because, like, I guess I'm a cynic. I assume if there's electronics involved, someone smarter than me can figure out how to hack it and then access what I don't want them to access. So this may go on an interior door someplace, maybe into the studio. Probably make a video of that. That'd be cool. But yeah, I think these are kind of expensive, but I don't have much in it. I said I got it from a local discount store. Whatever. But yeah, welcome to the future. Don't need keys anymore, but in case the power goes out, it's got some keys. Even though it runs on batteries, I'm pretty sure of that. Oh, well, just broke that. Yeah. So, one more thing to buy batteries for. But I just think it'll look cool, you know. Not everything has to be on the front door. That ship has sailed. It's kind of weird. Like, that's all it holds it on is one screw. Hopefully I'm not giving away the secrets to how to break into someone's house with one of these, but it doesn't look like there's shit holding this thing on. Well, I guess those two go through. Pressure fit. Extra secure. Do not try to break into one of these. You will be disappointed. I think this calls straight to 911. It says 911. I don't understand how electric door locks work. Whatever. So that's it. Short video. Just thought maybe some of the internet might think that's kind of cool. It was outside. It's kind of cold still. It's foggy. But yeah. It's going to be a studio decoration. At least the oil rub bronze matches my door handles. Pretty excited about that. Yeah, there you go. Amazon Basics. Electronic Deadbolt. Modern. Not old-fashioned, that's modern. Whatever.